Parsnips, one of my favorite root vegetables. The sugar content makes it a prime candidate for roasting. When it's done right, it's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. And it's very simple. Let's do it. First, we prep our parsnips. Very simple, you want to top and tail and cut them into almost equal-sized pieces. I would definitely recommend not peeling them. Just scrub them thoroughly, because the skin will become crispy. For something that big, I would quarter them, just so that they cook evenly. And of course, the smaller they are, the faster they cook. And that's it. Now, we salt, pepper, and shichimi, Japanese 7-spice. It's optional, but for me, it goes so well with not just parsnips, but most root vegetables. So I would highly recommend trying to buy some. Olive oil. And you mix. Now, take a baking tray. If your tray is not non-stick, I would add a bit of parchment paper to it. You want them to be one layer, of course. Is it gonna fit? Oh, I'm not sure. Now this goes into a preheated oven, 180 Celsius fan, for a total of about 40 to 50 minutes, depending on how they brown, during which I would turn them once. So, see you in 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, let's check on our parsnips. Beautifully brown. You can see the skin is crispy. Now, we'll put it to the side to rest while we slice some parsley for garnish. The thing about parsnips, or any roasted root vegetable, is I would always suggest you cook them later than you think you need, so that you can serve them almost mid-dinner, so that they come out hot and everyone could have a bite. Because otherwise you have these beautifully cooked, perfectly plated root vegetables. By the time your guests are seated and they get to the root veg, they're cold, they're no longer crispy, it's not as good. Good plate. Oh, beautiful. Can you hear? Parchment paper did its job, clearly. You don't have to do them one by one, by the way. I'm just doing it for the camera. Also, the sound of crispy skin hitting crispy skin is rather satisfying. Just a tiny drizzle of olive oil. Touch of black pepper. Parsley for garnish. Maybe a presentation piece in the middle. And there you have it. One of my favorite sides, roasted parsnips. I really hope you enjoy. And cook it later than you think you need. Cheers.